take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it's not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. There are A, B, and C bottles at the front of the machine. Pour some liquid nutrient or cleansing liquid into the bottles, such as AHA solution. There's bottle D and a liquid waste bottle at the back of the machine. Pour pure water into the bottle D. When liquid waste bottle is full, you need to empty the liquid waste out of the bottle before use. Fit the holders to the machine. Connect the spray handpiece to the machine. Connect the hydro handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the ultrasound handpiece to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. Connect the scrubber to the machine. Put all accessories into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Press power switch to start the machine, and then function selection interface will appear. Choose proper function based on your needs. Choose ultrasound function. Set parameters. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. (10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. (3 to 7 is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant working mode. There is constant energy output after stop button is pressed. Discontinuous working mode. There is discontinuous energy output after stop button is pressed. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose the scrubber function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Constant vibration mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant vibration. Suitable for those with large pores, rough skin, and blocked pores. Discontinuous vibration. Suitable for those who have rough skin or want to exfoliate the skin. Press button to begin the treatment. Perform the treatment and wipe the area with wet cotton pad at the same time. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose Bio function. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode selection. Mode 1. Constant working mode. Suitable for dry, rough, and dark-toned skin. Mode 2. Discontinuous working mode. Suitable for first-time users. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose the spray function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended. Pour liquids into the bottle, which can be clear water, toner, normal saline, liquid essence, and so on. Choose proper liquid based on skin situation. Press button to begin the treatment. Press the button on the sprayer to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose Hydro function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended. Choose one from the A, B, C, D bottles to pour in the liquid you need. Adjust the suction and the amount of water based on customer's endurance. Turning the knob on the machine clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Turning the tail part of the handpiece to adjust the amount of water. There are several hydro working tips. Choose proper one according to the target area. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, pay attention to the amount of water coming out from the working tip. Try to keep skin moistened during the treatment, otherwise there will be discomfort. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose Hot and Cold function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended, and cold mode is recommended. Mode selection. Cold mode. It can soothe and repair skin, relieve acne, and contract pores. Hot mode. It can expand pore size and help with nutrient introduction. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize the handpieces for the next time use.